Welcome back to the SketchUp tutorials. Today we'll be talking about tags. If we go back to our previous video, where we've got this cross-laminated timber micro dwelling, each component should have a name and there should be a unique name, but currently I don't believe they are. So if we have a look at on the underside of this one, this component is called 2 underscore GF for ground floor underscore CLT for the material underscore floor 001. Okay, this is fine. This is number 2, so that's good. My walls, my back elevation is number 1, but I believe all of the rest of them are currently all called number 1 as well. And then my roof panel number 1, and roof panel number 1. So what we need to do is we need to name everything with a unique number. With my wall, I'm going to choose to number them 1, 2, 3, 4 in a clockwise direction. So go in there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's all my walls got unique names, and my floor. And my roof, I can call this roof panel number 1, which it is, and roof panel number 2. Now, I'll take away my options menu just now, and okay, only a small mishap there. So we're going to create some tags for each of the components. If I select my floor component number 1, I select the data, or the name of that component, I go to tags, add new tag, and then paste in the name. And whilst that floor is still selected, I go up to my tag layer, or tool, and then select that. And I can then perhaps hide that, and the floor disappears. I'm conscious I may have not shown you how to get this layer or tag tool. If you not already have this open, go to View, Toolbars, and it's called Tags. Tags is another name for layers, and I'll put that back where I had it before. And then I'll select the second floor panel, copy the name, press a new tag, paste the name in there, and then ask that panel to be on that tag, and I'll hide that. I'm going to do the same with all the walls. I'll do the first couple, and then I'll do the rest afterwards. Select my back wall number 1, select the text, the name of it, add the tag, paste it, and ask it to be on that tag, and hide that tag temporarily. Do the same thing. Copy, paste, move it onto that tag, hide. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my walls and I'll then come back to you. Okay, I've now done all of my walls. I'll now select the roof panels, roof panel 1, copy, hit new tag, ask my panel to be on that tag, and I'll hide it temporarily, and then same thing, copy, paste name, and now I can say with full certainty that all of my panels are on the appropriate tag, or layer is another name for tag. If I turn them all back on just now, I'm sure there's a faster way to do that. So we now have a small micro dwelling made out of a dynamic components representing cross-laminated timber, with the floors, walls and roof all having different specifications. All the components are named with a unique name, or panels are named with a unique name, and that name is also used for the tag as well, or layer is another word for the same thing. Okay, this concludes this video, and next time we'll be looking at placing this information onto two-dimensional drawings.